Welcome, my name is Jonas. Today we will form a diffuser ring from a flat pattern. The material in this diffuser is Inconel 625, 0.8 millimeters or 32 thousandths of an inch. The final part is seamless with an undercut or a negative draft and is made in two forming steps. First drawn into a hat shape and then expanded. Finally, it's laser trimmed into the final shape. Since it has the undercut or the negative draft, it is really difficult to either form or get off the tool after forming with most competing methods. But in our case, we use the flexible rubber and the high pressure to expand the ring from the inside and out. The tool itself has a loose upper ring that easily can be lifted off for part removal. And a real bonus with this expansion forming method is the really high tolerances with a minimal spring back. Welcome to the Quintus application team with your demanding sheet metal projects.